Attorneys for the city of St. Louis have opted not to charge 9 protesters Mark and Patricia McCloskey pointed guns at this summer. Photos of the confrontation went viral, and tonight our Christine Byers explains why the city's attorneys refused to issue charges and how it could affect the criminal case against the McCloskeys.
In an email obtained by 5 on Your Side, an attorney for the trustees who own the private street in front of the McCloskeys' house wrote, "The trustees of Portland Place have not requested that any criminal charges be filed against any of the participants as a result of the events of June 28, 2020. And without a victim willing to prosecute, City Councilor Mike Garvin said the city opted to refuse the charges. The McCloskeys' attorney Joel Schwartz believes he still has a strong case, with or without charges against the protesters.
So you're not worried at all that this latest development is going to jeopardize your clients in criminal court?
Frankly, Christine, I don't care what the city authorities have chosen to charge or not charge. The facts are what the facts are, and these protesters were trespassing into the McCloskeys' neighborhood, causing the McCloskeys legitimate fear, and they were acting within their rights for those firearms.
But now that they won't be charged with a crime, an attorney for 2 of the 9 protesters says they can testify before the grand jury, weighing whether to indict the McCloskeys on gun charges.
If there's a threat of even the pettiest little criminal charge against my people, I can't let them testify. And now I believe that those ethical concerns have been addressed. And I don't see any ethical concerns in allowing them to testify.
Javad Kazali called the 8 weeks the police department spent investigating trespassing charges, quote, outrageous.
I mean, look at all of the crime in St. Louis and ask yourself the amount of time that the St. Louis Police Department spent going after people who at the most were probably going to get a $100 fine. Could that not have been, those resources have been used better to pursue murderers, to pursue victims of violent crimes?
Christine Byers, 5 on Your Side.
McCloskey's attorney has filed a motion to dismiss Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner from prosecuting the case. A hearing is set for October 6th.